Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Techi Dagyo Salamero, 35 years old from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am happy married. I have one son, 13 years old, and one daughter, 7 years old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. My hobbies are cooking, gardening, and many more. I work as domestic helper in Oman for 2 years. I serve one couple and three children, ages 14, 9, and 4. My duties are cooking, washing dishes, laundry, ironing, cleaning the house, and washing the car. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give a better life for my family, especially my children. I'm willing to take good care a newborn baby, toddler, children, or elderly. The things that I can do to take care of a baby is to feed them, bathing them, change clothes, change diaper. I can also sing a nursery rhyme like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to do my very, very best to serve your family and to take care of your children as my own. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.